Hi guys, I'm going to learn a new lesson from my online piano teacher. So I have to say it in Chinese. So I don't know how to say it in English. This musical terms. So this lesson's name is 如何弹出旋律的流动感 flow. So we'll do sing the notes first. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so, reading the notes. Do, mi, so, la, so, mi, do, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, so, mi, do, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, 2, 3. This part is notes have to use the left hand, have to cross. This is a la. Second times, 2 times have to use the left hand to cross the middle, near the middle C, middle area. So yeah, I'm going to try to practice like that. So do, mi, so, do, mi, so, la, so, mi, do, 2, 3, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, la. Do, mi, so, do, mi, do, mi, so, do, so, mi, do, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 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 2, 3. I'll play another time, one more time again. Do, mi, so, 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 la, so, mi, do, 2, 3, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, mi, do, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3. Do, mi, so, 2, 3.